Everyone, welcome. This is my first tutorial on how to type fast on a keyboard. So basically, most of the people that I see, since I'm a programmer actually, and I'm a web developer, so most of the people that I see are typing very slowly on the keyboard. So I thought, why not make a small video just to illustrate and show how I type fast on the keyboard. So maybe I can finish my codes and things like that in maybe a day or two maximum, like with all the JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And if you guys wanna see another video, like a tutorial on how to type in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, like a full course for the web development, just leave a comment below. So, how do I type fast, or how most of the people that type fast finish things fast? How do they do that on the keyboard? So it's very easy to do. Of course, the first thing that you need to do is just make sure that your hands are trained on the keyboard, and you memorize each letter place on the keyboard so that you do not get lost or something. So the finger that's next to the thumb, I don't know what they called it, but you need to put that finger on the J, and the next one is on the K. The ring finger, that's the only one that I know, is the L, and the pinky finger on the semicolon, which is, this is your right hand. So your left hand is gonna be on the F, D, S, and A. So F is for the finger that's next to the thumb, D is for the next one, S is for the D for the cursing finger, and S is for the ring finger, and A is for the pinky finger. I'm sorry. So and you put your two thumbs on the space bar. So if you're typing, you just make sure that you are aligned in the correct order. And just to if you want to go to the U, for example, so your finger, so the index finger will be thrown up to the U or the 7 or the 6. You've got something imagine it as an XO. So tic-tac-toe game. If you want to go to the upwards, to the column that's above your finger, you will find it in the U, 6, or 7. If you want to go to the M or N, you will find it below without using your thumbs. If you want to go to the comma, you will go with the cursing finger, and the ring finger will go for the dot, and of course semicolon, and you get the idea. You know, like the semicolon, P09, and the slash will be with the pinky finger. On the other hand, on the left hand, you will have the F for the G, F, G, T, R, 4, 5s are all under the index finger, and of course the C and V. If you want to go for the X, you will go with the cursing finger. If you want to go for the R or the E, there are some buttons are in common. But the first thing you need to make sure is align your fingers in the correct order, which is F, D, S, A, J, K, L, semicolon. Okay? So how you get trained to that? Okay, so let's see. So basically, I will align my finger in the same order that I was illustrating, put my J, K, L, semicolon, and A, S, D, F, and of course, alignment. I'm not saying that I get 100% accuracy on typing, but let's test it out while typing on the keyboard. So I'll test that at the moment. So it will start once I start typing. So 3, 2, 1. Add, contain, listen, farm, old, surface, family, mountain. Okay, I got that wrong. Mountain, front, short, plain, enough, at, right, mark, such, yes, that's that's really nice. Grow together, only, leave, ram, inch, is that inch? Yeah. Self, kind, in, north, can, small, against, of, step, you're busy, 7, love, under, keep, 9, word, call, vowel, what I'm typing, sentence, so, food, product, and of course note, state. So I'm running short on time here. Air to air, field. So basically my eyes are going, okay, I got that. Accuracy 100% and 55 word per minute. Actually, I used to get it in 60, so maybe I'm a little bit nervous or something. Anyways, so basically, I didn't break the world record or something, but this actually helped me while typing, because you know your eyes are always a step ahead from your hands. So when you read something, it is stored in your mind, but if you think pretty fast or something, you will need to try to slow down on thinking and then transfer all the knowledge and all the data that you stored in your brain into your hands, which is perfectly aligned in the order that I just illustrated. Okay, so just train a lot and make sure that you try to type words. Okay, I will leave the live chat but that link in the description, so that whenever anyone would like to check that out, you will be able to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like that video and if you're interested to see other videos, my videos are in Arabic and English, so maybe I'll make an Arabic version from this video. If you're interested to see any other videos about anything, literally anything, guys, I work at anything, so if you would like to see any videos regarding anything, just leave a comment below and let me know what you're interested in. Maybe it give me a spark. Thank you so much for watching, and have a very lovely evening or morning. It depends on your time. Bye bye.